This vermicelli dessert is also known as Sewai. This dessert is very common in India and in Suriname. The basics are very simple and you can add all kinds of ingredients if you like to. This recipe takes you through a few simple steps and within 5 minutes you're done. To be honest, I do not always crack the vermicelli, but especially for you, did so, and it's pretty fun to do so. You could fry the vermicelli for a few seconds in some oil. It's not really necessary, but it enhances the taste. I prefer thin rice vermicelli and coconut milk, so this recipe is vegan and gluten-free. Add water and coconut milk. Be careful because it can be hot. Add raisins and chia seeds. These are optional. Heat up the sewai. It doesn't need to cook, so turn the heat off and put a lid on for a few minutes. And then your sewai is done. The vermicelli dessert is normally served with some sugar. That's also optional. You could add some fruit like bananas, but that's also optional. So enjoy the way you would like it and the way you prefer it. And thanks for watching Vera's Lifestyle Wereld. I appreciate your support. Thanks.